Want to use two websites side by side in Google Chrome without constantly switching between tabs? In this video, I'll show you how to do split screen on Google Chrome for Windows or Mac. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe or click the follow button to be updated with our latest upload. So first, open Google Chrome on your computer. Now, open the two websites or tabs that you want to view side by side. In my case, I have already multiple tabs open. On your current tab, Chrome allows you to choose another tab to display beside your current tab. Next, right-click on the tab that you want to add, and you'll get these options. Then click this new split view with current tab. And there you go, you now have two Chrome tabs displayed side by side in the same window. You can also adjust the size of each side. Just move your cursor to the divider between the two pages and drag it left or right. When you're finished, you can simply close one of the split tabs by clicking this X button below. Or right-click on the active tab, then click Arrange Split View, then Separate Views. Also in these options, you can also switch the two views by clicking the Reverse View, and the two tabs will switch its position. And that's how easy it is to split screen in Google Chrome. If this video helps you out, don't forget to like, subscribe. That will be a big help for us to create more videos like this in the future. Until next time, peace out.